So today we are going to do a thriller experiment on the topic atmospheric pressure. So for this experiment, the material required is a glass of water and a coaster. So what do you have to do is you have to keep the coaster on the glass. And now I am going to do a magic trick with my magic wand. Gilly gilly choo. Let's see what happens. Wow! Now I'll explain you the reason behind this. So, as we all know, there is an envelope of air around us which is known as atmosphere. And this atmosphere exerts some pressure on all the bodies of Earth which is known as the atmospheric pressure. So now I'll explain you what happens in this experiment. So when I twisted the glass like this, the atmospheric pressure which is acting on the coaster is much stronger than the weight of the water inside the glass. And because of the atmospheric pressure which is acting on the coaster doesn't fall and the water doesn't spill. So that's it from my side. As you saw, it was a very cool experiment. So wear on your magic hats and showcase a magic trick at your place. Bye bye.